Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. This is DefiantDark here, and today I'm going to show you how to install any driver for any device in your computer in just 2 clicks. So without further ado, let's get started. So what are drivers in general? Well, drivers are certain softwares that are packaged by the companies that make the device for you for your operating system to interact with those devices. So naturally, without a driver, the device won't work properly or may not even work at all. So sometimes it might happen during Windows update or virus attack, etc., that some of the drivers might get deleted. This can cause a lot of problem for those users who have not very much knowledge of the computers and might find it difficult to find and install the drivers and may lead to many problems for them. So today I'm going to show you how to install a driver for any device in just 2 clicks. This process is very easy and it's quite useful. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to show you where you can find what drivers your devices have and what drivers are missing. So just go and right click on the start button and it will open this drop-up menu. Then click device manager and a window will open that will show you what devices you have. So you see here are all devices that are connected to my computer right now. In each of these devices, if I click, you can see there are many sub devices, each of them with their own drivers. So sometimes it might happen that some of the drivers might get deleted, due to which there will be an exclamation mark against these saying that drivers are missing. So how do you fix it? Well, you can manually download them, but sometimes that won't work. So here is a way. There comes a software for Windows that is very helpful for installing drivers. This software is known as Driver Easy. I'll be giving the link in the description. Well, what this software does, it helps you install drivers much more and update your drivers much more easily. So, well, as you can see, I am right now on their website, and you can see it has a lot of followers. So when you download Driver Easy, it comes in two versions, a normal version and a pro version. Well, the difference between the normal version and pro version, as you can see, I'll show you is that for normal version you get these features, whereas for pro version there are several other features that are much more essential. For example, that you get higher speed for pro version, whereas for normal version you get speed between 40 to 80 kbps. That means however fast your internet may be, your download speed won't exceed this mark, which is very problematic, as sometimes this can cause sometimes you are unable to download large drivers because they are taking a lot of time. So I will definitely recommend you to go for the pro version. So all you have to do is download the software. Download the software, and once it's done, you see I have already downloaded the setup here. So once it's downloaded, just go to the folder where your setup is downloaded. Like I have the setup in my downloads folder, and just install it in your computer. As I've already gone ahead and installed it, so I'm not going to go through it, but the process is very easy, you don't have to do much. Now just open Driver Easy on your PC, and I'll show you how you can install the drivers from this if you are using a manual version or the normal version, and what's the difference between pro. And as you can see, when you open for the first time, it will say scan now. Just click on scan now and it will automatically scan for all the devices and drivers that are not updated or are missing. So let it scan, and then we'll start. Then I'll show you how you can download and update your drivers. you see now it has complete scanning, and it will show you all the drivers that are missing. For example, let's say I have this driver missing, HP wireless button driver. So I'll just click on it and it will show me what's the difference between the version that is currently available on the internet and which one I have. You see, now if I want to update, I'll just click on update and it will start downloading. Now here you can see it will give you a restore point. What does a restore point does is it creates a folder that you can roll back to if the driver does any harm to your PC. If you are using Pro version, this software will automatically create a restore point for you. But for my version, as it is manual version, I'll have to click on manually create. Once I click on that, I click on continue. The driver will start downloading. You see, my speed is not going up. My speed is not going above 44 kbps. My maintained speed is 50 MB per second. So that's the reason why I asked you to go for the professional version. Now that it is downloaded, it will show you this. If you have the professional version, you can just click on automatically install and it will automatically find the device that you need that is available for the driver and then install the driver. But for normal version, I'll show you how you can do it. Click on manual install and click continue. It will open this folder. Just copy this address in the address bar and now go to your device manager tab. Here find the device whose respective driver you need to install. Now let me find my device. Here it is, HP wireless button. Just click on update driver, browse my computer for the driver software, paste the address and click on next. The driver will automatically install. That's how easy it is. So that's how you can install any driver on your PC with just 2 clicks. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and also subscribe, as I am new to YouTube and will love to have your support, as it will be very helpful for me. So if you have any other issues related to computers, do ask me in the comment section and I will try to help you fix it. So with that, DefiantDark signing out.